Welcome everyone to the channel. My name is Kevin Tate, and today I want to go over some workflow navigation on the LAT Technician Pro app. This is the Pro version. So what you're going to do is you're going to start, it's going to say all equipment. So you can have, there's a drop down here and you can go through and choose the piece of equipment that you're working on. So say we're working on a frozen beverage unit, FBD or something like that, and the product's not freezing. So let's go through our workflow. Go right here, and it will go to the first question. Is the condenser fan running? Let's say yes. Is the beater motor running? We'll say yes. Are sensors reading correctly? Let's say no. Maybe you have one barrel that is reading 99 degrees, and usually like on FBD, if the sensors are reading like 99 or negative 140, something like that, that's telling you there's an issue with that sensor and you might as well replace that sensor. So let's say we have something like that and we hit no. The app will tell you a recommended action. Replace the thermistor or faulty sensor. So that gives you something that you can go on. You can go ahead and replace the sensors. And this is helpful to any technician, especially newer technicians who are new to the industry. The other thing this app will do is it will record your decision log. So if you forget what you went over, this will be a reminder for you, and you'll be able to download this right on your phone. It works without Wi-Fi, so you won't have to worry about it slowing down or locking up or anything like that. So today I just went over the basic workflow navigation on this, and I'm going to do a video for each section just to go over it. And if you have any questions or anything, go ahead and drop your questions in the comments section and I'll get right back to you. Also, if you don't have the app yet, go ahead and check out the free app. The link is down below in the description. I thank you all for watching. Take care and stay well.